2020 was a year marked by the pandemic, which impacted on all areas, including Ferrovial's business. We focused on protecting the health and safety of our workers and users and on maintaining our essential activities. We also saw our commitment to the community through the Ferrovial Juntos Fund and ensured business continuity. To that end, we enhanced the company's liquidity and cut costs to adapt to the new market realities. We ended the year with a solid cash position and ample liquidity, reflecting the company's sound finances. Toll road and airport traffic was affected by government-imposed restrictions on movement, but rebounded rapidly once those measures were relaxed. Our infrastructure assets are among the best in the world. In the medium term, we are convinced that they will benefit from population and economic growth in the cities where they are located. Dividends received from the infrastructure portfolio amounted to €458 million, including those obtained from services. At the end of 2020, we collected the first dividend from the LBJ in Dallas. This followed NTE's first dividend the previous year. The Horizon 24 strategy plan ended its first year. Progress has been satisfactory. We implemented the health, safety and well-being plan, and is beginning to produce results. Serious and fatal accident numbers have been cut by 18%. We implemented a new operating model and achieved the goal of saving €49 million in overheads. The sustainability plan was also put into motion. The major challenge is to reduce our impact on the environment. We plan to become emission neutral before 2050. We completed the investments amounting to €500 million, in particular two toll roads in Portugal as a result of the strategy of rotating mature assets. The sale of the services division is advancing as the divestment of the business in Australia and New Zealand was followed by some smaller deals. We are working to complete the divestment of the service division in 2021. Horizon 24 is also making progress in operations. Construction registered a notable improvement. We ended the year with an EBIT margin of 2.3%, 1 percentage point higher than planned, with an outstanding contribution from Budimex and Weber. The division also launched Abacus, a project aimed at leading the transformation in this industry. It centers around process digitalization, risk control, and capability development. We also boosted EBITDA from continuing operations to €403 million, and revenues increased to above €6,000 million. In spite of the slowdown in new contracts due to the pandemic, the combined construction and services backlog amounted to €22,370 million. That figure guarantees work for the coming years. We are not standing still. Our people continue to analyze the future of infrastructure with such technologies as 5G and artificial intelligence. For example, the IBEA initiative is showing the way forward in connected highways. We also continue to pursue opportunities in electrification and water. Once again, Ferrovial maintained the highest environment, social and governance standards, as was endorsed by its inclusion in the Dow Jones Sustainable Index for the 19th consecutive year. Humanity is experiencing situations of difficulty and uncertainty. We are confident that the vaccines will grant immunity as a prelude to enabling us to return to normality and for the economy to recover. Ferrovial is ready to take emerging opportunities thanks to its innovative, sustainable solutions in transport infrastructure and mobility. To conclude, I would like to acknowledge the commitment of our employees and the support of investors and clients who contribute every day to creating the Ferrovial of tomorrow.